Hello, I'm User Ali from Royal Cyber. In today's demo, I'll show you how to use RDZ to add or update an element to Endevor using the batch mode. This is done using Menu Manager and Host Access Transformation Services, a toolkit that you can install that you can add to your Rational Developer for System Z client. I'm connected here to one of my host connections, host systems, and what I've done is I've created a menu manager action that will take any element and then take you to the panel for adding that element or updating that element to the Endevor repository using the batch mode. For example, I'm going to open one of my source files here, and let's say I pick the first one, and if I right click it, I have this menu manager action, add update Endevor batch. Once I click this action, it presents me with a window to enter parameters. So I'll select my logon proc name, and now you can enter your environment name, subsystem name, and all the other required parameters related to Endevor and ISPF. Now, and you can see that it has automatically picked up the correct name for the element and the member here. So once I click the OK button, HATS application will run in a separate view, which will connect to the host and take you to the panel where you can generate the SCL for adding or updating the element to the Endevor repository. Takes a few seconds, and now you can see that we have landed up on the processor group selection list. So basically the HATS application automated the entry of data on behalf of the user and in performing steps such as logging on to the host and accessing the Endevor main panel and then selecting the batch mode and then entering all the parameters as they were entered in the menu manager pop-up window. And now we have landed on the processor group selection list. So from here on in, the user can select their own processor group and continue with the generation of the SCL. You can enter your CCID and comment. You can press enter key, and you can see that the SCL has been generated. Now you can just use these buttons to navigate to the submission, and now you can submit your SCL. And the SCL has been generated as a job. After performing all the Endevor related work, we have defined the HATS plugin such that if the user accesses the main ISPF panel, they'll be automatically logged off from the system. So if I go back to the ISPF main primary menu, my HATS application will automatically log me off, and it will gracefully disconnect. So in the background, this is my host access transformation services perspective, and here I've created a HATS project which is responsible for navigating to the required Endevor screen, and it uses macros to navigate to enter data on behalf of the user and do the necessary navigation so as to land on the required panel. And here's this log off macro, which is responsible for logging off the user gracefully whenever they try to access the ISPF primary panel. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.